Hi guys. How can you create the dripping effect in Photoshop like this? Go to Select Subject to automatically select the main subject. After the subject is selected, click Add Layer Mask to isolate it from the background. Now go to File Place Embedded and insert a dripping paint image. Adjust and position the dripping image in the middle of the subject. Press Enter to confirm the placement. Right-click on the dripping layer and select Rasterize Layer. Select the Magic Eraser tool and click on the white area to remove the white background from the dripping image. Hold Ctrl. Lower the opacity slightly so you can adjust the effect more easily. Now select the main mask layer. Make sure foreground color is white. Select the eraser tool and gently erase the extra areas so the dripping effect blends naturally with the subject. Now create a new layer and drag it below the subject layer. Go to Adjustment Layer Gradient. Open the gradient presets and select the 2-color gradient from Basic. Adjust the gradient points so the colors match the image style. Select Radial Style. Enable Reverse. Set the scale around 133% and press OK. And that's it. This is how you can create a dripping effect in Photoshop.